ball. Come on. Pearl. Oh, 25. That's 5. Oh my god. That's the third one today I've had on 50 cents. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. And I've had 3 $100 minis today. It was one of them days where on low bets you can't do anything right. Come bluey. Major even. Oh my god. You don't see that too often, the 2 of them.